Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying essentials so activation works the first time. Check your carrier plan, the exact SIM size, and any activation code you received. These prevent delays. If the phone is locked, request an unlock now, otherwise back up your data. Power down, insert the physical SIM or prepare for eSIM provisioning, and plug the phone in so it won't die mid-activation. Once done, power on and move to the carrier's activation steps in the next slide. You now perform the detailed activation with your carrier's method. Open the carrier app or site, or use their dialer code, then enter your phone's IMEI and the SIM exit exactly as shown. Small typos break activation. Provide the activation code and verify identity when prompted. The carrier provisions your line, which can take a few minutes. During provisioning, toggle airplane mode briefly to force the radio to re-register. Make sure mobile data and voice setting. You finish by validating that voice, text, and data work. Place a call, send an SMS, and load a web page. If data fails, open APN settings and apply the carrier's values. If there's no signal, restart the phone, power cycle the SIM by removing and reinserting it, or try a different SIM slot if available. If problems persist, contact carrier support and provide your IMEI, SIM exit, and any error messages so they can provision or diagnose the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.